discuss about 6 worst pandemic in history of mankind.
Number 1. Smallpox. Smallpox is caused by the variola virus. Is one of the diseases that caused the most death in human history, over 300 million. For a long time, the survival rate was only 30% and death were caused by high fever, dehydration and other complications. In addition, the epidemic had disfigured millions of people as it causes pustules that leave permanent traces on the face. It is transmitted through body fluids and direct contact, but is considered to have been eradicated since 1918 due to the intense vaccination campaign. However, two laboratories, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Russian Federation Center for Research and Virology and Biotechnology, are reserved for the disease causing virus. Number 2. Measles. Measles is a disease that is characterized by small red spots on the skin, high fever, and a condition of illness like rubella or chickenpox. The virus stays in the incubation state for 21 days, although the first symptoms appear 10 days after infection. Throughout history, measles had caused the death of 200 million people as a result of lung inflammation and meningitis. The advances in science have led to the development of triple antiviral vaccine made in children, since there is no specific treatment, but the only contagion can be prevented. Number 3. Spanish flu. It is estimated that Spanish influenza had caused between 50 and 100 million victims worldwide in just 2 years. Between 1918 and 1920, the flu killed between 3% and 6% of the world's population. The so-called Spanish flu of 1918 also caused as many deaths as the First World War. And some experts say that this world conflict ended because of the epidemic. But the epidemic did not occur in Spain. Spain, which was not part of the conflict, informed most about the flu cases, which received the name from this country. During that period of war and epidemic, economic activity collapsed and greatly boosted the migratory movement around the world. Number 4. Black Plague. In the 14th century, around 1384, the Black Plague ravaged Europe. The Mongols came to the Crimean Peninsula and tried to conquer it by throwing plague-infected dead bodies over the walls, triggered an epidemic that swept across the continent except Iceland. The black or bubonic plume brought important changes in the economy. Accompanied by great setback, mortality was 60% and humanity needed 100 years to recover. Trade disappeared, cities collapsed, people took refuge in villages, kings died, all social structures were affected. The disease that causes huge pustules is not caused by a virus, but by the bacterium Yersinia pestis, still active in rural population. The bacterium is transmitted through vectors such as fleas. Although the big ones responsible for spreading the plague were rats infesting medieval cities, and it was not a divine punishment as it was believed at that time. Number 5. HIV virus. Another major epidemic since 1981 was AIDS, which involved stigmatizing part of the population and greatly influencing sexual habits. perceptions, and relationships. The disease is caused by human immunodeficiency virus. The human immunodeficiency virus causes a chronic irreversible infection with the progressive destruction of host defense mechanism and the installation after a variable period of time, usually years, of acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Human immunodeficiency virus infection was first reported in 1981 in United States. The total number of people living with HIV AIDS was approximately 35.3 million as of December 2013. Number 6. Cholera. Cholera is an acute, contagious, infectious intestinal disease caused by a bacterium. The cholera vibrator, which has been caused over 3 million deaths over time. Every year, between 21,000 and 1,43,000 deaths are registered due to cholera. Cholera is a bacterial disease commonly spread through contaminated water. This causes severe diarrhea and dehydration. Untreated cholera can be fatal in a few hours, even in people with a strong immune system. Modern sewage and water treatment have virtually eliminated cholera in industrialized countries, but the disease is still present in Africa, South Asia, and Haiti. Thank you.